Oh man, yesterday was the 4th of July and I ate a bunch of bad food at the fair and woke up with an extreme gut ache. And on top of that, we're hearing more rumors about NVIDIA's upcoming cards and what they're going to be about and all that kind of stuff. But before we jump into that, let's real quick hear a word from today's sponsor, CORSAIR. If you are looking for a nice set of wireless gaming headphones that will not break your piggy bank and still have a lot of nice features, the CORSAIR HF70s may be just what you were looking for. With features like true 2.4 GHz connectivity, a removable mic, easy to adjust controls, and solid sound, these headphones are perfect for their price range. The HS70 headphones work with your PC, Xbox, or PlayStation 4 and come to market at under $100. Check them out and see what you think. Okay, so far we've heard a bunch of different rumors. They've been going on for months. What the specs are going to be, when they're going to come out. You know, Jensen said it's going to be a long way off. My contacts have said, hey, there's nothing really going on. But now, and also, you know, the Lenovo one. And by the way, sorry, I don't know why the heck I called it Lenovo so many times yesterday. I must have been just in another globe. But Lenovo, excuse me. We also, got confirmation from them that they're going to be using 11 series inside of their stuff. But now we're hearing some other rumors, and to be honest with you, these ones kind of bum me out because from all the rumors I heard talking about double-digit performance and all this stuff, I have to admit that I was personally very, very exciting waiting to see what this new launch, brought to the table because let's just face it. I mean, it's been so long since we've seen a new video card from NVIDIA. It's just mind-boggling. Like I've said before, these were usually things that were every year at least we were getting new cards. It's been such a long time in between launches, it's mind-boggling. Honestly, the longest ever in history that I can ever remember. In the beginning, things were like much, much faster. Then they kind of like mellowed out, then they kind of got to every year. But now it looks like we're getting like a new video card release like every 2 to 3 years, which is just kind of crazy stuff. Now, the thing that really sucks is the latest rumors that I've been seeing is that these cards will be rebranded cards. That's right, rebranded cards, which means that they're not going to feature a new architecture. They probably won't be GP104. It's probably not going to be that. Maybe we'll see. We don't know if it's going to be the next generation of technology or anything else, because if it's just a rebrand, that usually means it's going to feature the same technology as the cards we've seen before, with maybe just a couple of performance boosts here and there, which means that all those dreams I was having of double digits will be, surely flushed down the toilet. As far as, we're all wanting 4K every game over 60 frames per second. We're really hoping for that. If it's a rebrand, I don't know if they'll be able to touch that. But if it ends up just being a rebrand, I have to admit I'll be really, really disappointed. I mean, after waiting all of this time, I was really hoping for something that would really jump out of the gate. I mean, even though, like I've said before, there's really absolutely no reason, for them to release a new card since they're already pretty much on top, it would be really badass of them, honestly, to release a card that just totally blows away everything on the market completely and creates a gap. I mean, now you guys might get mad at this, but check it out. If they did that, they would force AMD to really up their game even more. Let's just face it. If NVIDIA released a brand new card and it was double digits and all this stuff that we're hearing about, it was going to be just a great super duper fast card, that would make AMD have to really, really get off their laurels and work. Not saying that they haven't been working hard, but they would have to work double hard to do that. So for us, the end user, that's nothing but a good thing. But I mean, I can see why a giant corporation's like, well, no, we don't want to do that right now because they're still selling cards. But I mean, I would think that the 1080 Ti market and the 1080 in that market and the 1070 is slowing down a little bit, especially since the availability of cards has been absolute crap for the last year, and it's just now starting to balance out. And I'm actually hearing rumors that cards within the next 30 to 45 days might even drop 20% more. Well, that would make sense because if they do release new video cards, even if they're a rebrand, well, obviously you would think the old stock would get a price down, which will be great for people out there building systems who have wanted these cards for the last year and couldn't get their hands on them. But for real tech enthusiasts and people who are looking for cards that are like going to push the envelope, that would be a pretty damn depressing thing to just get a card that's a rebrand. So I really, really hope at the end of the day that this particular rumor does not turn out to be true. But if it does, I have to tell you, I'm going to be really disappointed. And I think that you guys out there will be really disappointed as well, because like I said, we've all waited so long, honestly, just so long, man. Feel like the guy who fell asleep under a tree for a few years, you know? It's just been so long since we've seen a new video card from them. And if I'm going to see a new video card, I want to see a new video card that's totally badass, not just a slight bump in the road. I don't know how you guys feel. I definitely want to hear your comments down below. Let me know what you guys think. But honestly, NVIDIA, if it's just a rebrand, what the heck, man? I was looking forward to some double digits, some killer card, new technology, lots of new stuff to talk about, because let's just face it, new stuff fuels the news. It would give me more stuff to talk about. Then when the new cards come out from the partners, it gives more reviews and stuff. That kind of technology and that stuff really fuels the industry. A rebrand, although it'll be interesting for a short time, isn't the same as releasing all new technology that totally blows away everybody on the market. And that's what I was really hoping for. So I'm Eric. You guys have been watching Tech and Tomorrow. We'll see you guys back here on the channel for more tech. Peace.